Hey, Salty, I got a lift master. I'm half buzzed, man. This thing sucks. Check it out. I'm gonna hit the fucking switch. My light don't even come on, and it's loud, man. That's pretty lame. Can't even make it go down. Third time's a trick. Maybe not. Maybe fourth time. It's pretty much broke. I don't think anything's in the way. I got a sensor over here. Oh. I got a sensor over there. But there's nothing in the way of the sensors. So, we'll try it again. What are we waiting for? See, that's why I like watching your garage doors go up and down, man, because mine's all messed up. Something's going on here. Yeah. I don't know, the cameras can see each other. There's shouldn't be any reason why I'd stop. Just never done this before. Ah, screw it, let's go check the grill. Oh, okay. Yeah. Give it a few more minutes. There we go. Light up, baby, light up. I don't use any kind of charcoal lighter fluid. Just some newspaper. If you don't have one of these and you like barbecue, Salty, you gotta get one, man. Gotta get one. Yeah, let's go check it out. I think I'll be manually closing my garage now. Son of a bitch. Thank you for your video. Now you got my garage door all messed up. I won't come out here and play around. Anybody got some help? Help? Maybe I'll be doing an installation, brother. Take care. Bye.